MrLwitwma, and welcome to day 9. Wait a minute. Is it day 9? Is it day 9? Is it? Yes, it is. It's day 9, yep. So, welcome to day 9 of creating our own business. So, I have this right now. So, this is my project BitQ, which I'm currently working on. I don't have any UI right now. So what can it do is, let me just, so this is my dataset ID. Okay, I'll explain what it is and how to use it once my project is fully done. So for now, this is the ID that I got after giving my dataset ID. So its number of questions is by default 1, and maximum difficulty is by default 100 and minimum is 0. Now let's get some questions that I generated. So I just generated one question. Now first of all, this is the ID. If you look, it's 3FE. Let me go to my VS Code. Here you can see this is 3FE. How many oceans are there in the world? Now if I do the get question, so I did not do any front end thing here, just the back end. If you see here in the console, you get a QID in an O1 option, O2, O3, O4. It just means option 1, option 2, option 3. Why not just use 1, 2, 3? It doesn't work. I don't know why. Anyways, how many questions are there in the world? I'm sorry, how many oceans are there in the world? Yeah. So it's 5. Okay. So now what my next task is to just take the QID, which is the question ID, you would say, and then my option which I choose, this is O2, so I will give choice as O2 and then QID as this. Now in my backend, okay, you can see this is cut off. Why? Because it just had one question now, and then it got deleted. Okay, it got deleted, it got removed because it's just a temporary database. I mean database, whatever. So now if you just go here, this is my check answer route. All I need is your QID and then the choice that you made. It's a pretty straightforward and easy to use, but it's not still in production. It's just available to watch. Okay, I'm gonna make it online or put it in production after I create some UI and add some authentication and all, like allowing users to create more data and all. So for now, that's it for today. You know, this took me like 3 or 4 days to work. It's not just this, it's this code. You might think it's just some small codes, but you know the time you take for debugging and fixing the code, that's where the time goes. Anyways, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Next is I'm gonna add a new road, whatever, to this. It'll be for create question, which would have some more authentication, like you need some IDs and all. Yeah, so that's it for today. Have a nice day.